How to sign in and log in on JoinMe for Android. For you to sign up on JoinMe app, you need to install it first. Check the description if you do not know how to do this. Tap on the sign in link from the bottom. Write your email on the first input. Write the password and then confirm the password. Tap on Create an account. Enter your name and tap Next. Choose a personal link. Tap Next. You can upload a picture if you would like that. Tap Next. Here, you can set up meeting preferences. I would set up so the connection to internet audio is on. If you wish to start a meeting with the camera on, switch that to as well. You will be able to modify these options every time you start a meeting. Tap Allow JoinMe to record audio. Tap Allow JoinMe to take pictures and record videos. You have, when you join the app, a 40-day trial. Tap Got it. You are now signed in your account. On the top, you have the settings icon. Tap it. You will see some conference details. You have the Enable Video using the device camera option here. If we tap on Meetings, we will find there the history of meetings and the Schedule Meeting. Also, we have the button to schedule a meeting. On the Profile button, we have the option to edit your picture and also your personal link. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.